Hello everyone and welcome back to our excavator series, and in today's video we've got our 9-ton excavator with us, and we're going to go through the full procedure of the pressurising, decompressurising and operation of one of our breakers. To start with, we need to get ourselves into the machine to get running. So we enter the machine using 3 points of contact. Once comfortably in our seat, pop our seatbelt on so the excavator can operate. Now we can start up our procedure to get the breaker connected successfully. First and foremost is we need to turn the machine on. Turn the machine on to position 2 and we drop our left arm armrest. Engage our hydraulics by pressing key code number 1. Now the machine is on, we need to turn it off with the left arm armrest down to start the next sequence. To begin the hydraulic auxiliary venting, again ensure that this armrest is down, turn the machine on to position 1, engage the hydraulics when the onboard computer has started, hit the auxiliary venting button number 1 and confirm the command by the go to button, keypad code number 1. This will do the auxiliary venting for you automatically. We can then now turn off the machine and exit it to couple the breaker hoses. Now we're ready to couple up the hoses from the breaker to the machine. Simply unravel them and push them into the auxiliary outputs. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. And now we're ready to get ourselves back into the machine to operate the breaker. Ensure that once again we use 3 points of contact to enter the machine, and as soon as we're in the machine to pop our seatbelt on. Ensure your left arm armrest is up, and when we're ready to operate, the machine is running, drop your left arm armrest, increase your revs, engage the hydraulics and position the breaker ready to use. To operate the breaker, we use the toggle switch which can be found on the right hand pilot control. Once we've finished with the breaker, we need to put the breaker in the service position. To begin the decompressurising sequence, we need to ensure that before we turn the machine off, our left armrest stays down and then key off. Once the machine is off, we're going to turn the machine back to position 1 with the armrest still in the same position. Engage the hydraulics by pressing key code number 1 and then beginning the venting by pressing key code number 3 on the auxiliary 1. Confirm the command and allow the venting procedure to start. Once the warning of the venting has finished, you are now able to detach the hoses of the breaker. Simply exit the machine using 3 points of contact. To uncouple the hoses of the breaker, make sure that the slot lines line up with the bubble and simply lift for them to detach. It's always best practice to roll up your breaker hoses. Repeat the process on the opposite side of the machine. You've successfully detached the breaker from the excavator. And there you go guys, that is the correct procedure to operate, depressurise and decompressurise a breaker on one of our 9-ton excavators. If you come into any problems after using this video, then please do get in contact with your local depot as soon as possible. Thank you ever so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care, bye bye for now.